This is the Max Disposer Max 4 garbage disposal. Tofu is a food prepared by coagulating soy milk and then pressing the resulting curd into solid white blocks. Tofu is also known as bean curd in English. It is a traditional component of East Asian and Southeast Asian cuisine, and has been consumed in China for over 2,000 years. Mapo tofu is a popular Chinese dish from Sichuan province. Tofu is a perfect food for garbage disposal, but please avoid putting pasta noodles and rice grains into your garbage disposal. Rice, for example, is pumped approximately 4 times its uncooked volume when cooked in liquid. As such, it only makes sense to avoid sticking water-absorbent food down a wet garbage disposal, which could easily lead to a clogged drain. It's best to toss noodles or rice in the trash.